Oh, grabe. So,
This is an emergency alert issued by the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council and the Ministry of Communications. A red rainfall warning was issued on areas such as Metro Manila, Pampanga, Bulacan, and Laguna. If you are in those areas, expect heavy rains, floods, and landslides. Collect emergency supplies as soon as possible and charge your mobile phones and other essential electronics in the case of a possible power outage. Stay safe.
grabe ah. Okay, so, grabe ah. So, di ka na-expect. So, grabe. Oo nga, grabe. Oh. So, grabe naman guys. So, every